Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to check your Instagram watch history. So we all know the struggle. You're endlessly sweeping through reels, come across a funny one, and before you can show it to your friend, it vanished. Unlike posts, Instagram doesn't let you visit previously seen reels. This can be quite frustrating, but fear not, some workarounds can help you check your Instagram reel watch history. So in this video, on Instagram, if you check on your Instagram and you see in here on the settings, there's no option to see your watch history. There's no option. So how if you want to see your watch history like reels, posts, or some kind of that, it's simple. So you can just like the reels that you would watch on your Instagram, like this one for the example. We'll like this one, and also this. So you can see that history, watch history again if you like on the reels or posts. So you can open your settings, you can go to your profile. Now you can tap on the three lines over here. After that, you can just scroll down and you can choose on your activity and you can choose on likes. So here's all the history. Your watch history will be saved on your Instagram. You can, if you want to rewatch the posts or reels, you can just check on the likes. So don't forget, if you want to see your reels that you just watch, you can, before you swipe to another reels, you can like on the reels so you can see it again. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see your watch history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep you updated about this Got You Right channel. Thank you and see you.